Hi, Sunshines 2. We are in week 9. So, a reminder as per the schedule, there is no class next week. So, you've kind of got 2 weeks to work on things here. So, we will get started with our song. Join.
We join hands and we sing, clap and circle, make notes ring. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we talk, clap and circle, make notes walk. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands and we shout, clap and circle, shout notes out. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone. We join hands, whisper sounds, clap and circle, round and round. We will see who'll join us in the fun. Sunshine is for everyone.
Good job. Let's sing our scale then together, and make sure you're doing this at home, doing the singing the song and doing our scale, okay? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. All right, so for this week, we are continuing with our C major scale with all of the bridges, all right? And we're focusing on notes. So in the treble clef, from C up to G, and the bass clef, F to C, and we're also adding C, the third button of Mr. Bass Clef's vest. All right? Remember your markers are F makes his nose, and B sits right on top here. C is in the middle. Everybody get ready on E, and G would slide into Mrs. G clef or Mrs. treble clef right there. Okay? So work on notes, and hopefully you could see that. Okay, so from C to G, F to C, and then C, the third button of Mr. Bass Clef's vest. So those are the notes we're working on this week. We also have our Christmas carol that we're going to get working on. We want to do a Zoom recital the beginning of December. And when we meet individually, we will discuss how our composition is going, and we will also pick festival pieces. It looks like festival in some form is going to go forward. So this is the year that we join. So we will meet in our individual times, and we will look at our composition, and we'll also look at picking our festival pieces, or at least our first one. So for homework, we have H20, and this is looking at patterns. So whether it's stepping up so high or jump up high, stepping up, look at whether it goes one after the other or whether it makes a jump. Then on page 24, we are adding that low note C down here, and middle C, treble clef and bass clef would be the very same note, but it's right here. And then 35 is our next one, and this works more with those bass clef notes. So low C, and we have F, G, A, B, and middle C. And we have flowers. We should probably have snowmen, but hey, you're going to be cheery and make little sunflowers through here. All right, then we can look at L6. And with this one, we are looking at articulation, and that is how we play something. So if we have a slur or phrase, we're going to play it smooth and connected. One note, you play it, hold it until you play the next, hold it until you play the next, hold it until you play the next. So your fingers are just kind of springing up one after the other. And then staccato is bouncy or detached. So you think of the key as hot and coming off. So if we're playing connected, or if we're playing staccato, staccato is, now I don't want you bringing your hand up like this for the staccato. Okay, we're just doing a finger motion and it's hot, 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 hot. Okay, your hand can come up a bit, but not flying up. Make sure it's into the bottom of the key. It's not how fast you go into the key, it's how fast you come out. So you're not standing up here and going down. It's like, ooh, that was hot. Ooh, okay. So for the first one, am I playing legato or staccato? So that should be staccato. The next one, legato or staccato? Are those connected? And how many notes did you hear? 2 or 3? And the next one? Okay, so we connected the first 3, bounced off the next one, and the last one. Okay, so again, when you're doing your connected ones, play the first note, hold it down, then add the next one, and your little finger comes up. Add the next one, the other one comes up. Add the next one, the other one comes up. So these are things that we're potentially working on in our festival pieces. So take some time with this page to understand legato and staccato, okay? And then turning over to L8, I want you to put bar lines in here. So write your counting or put your bread tags in. Remember, a whole rest does a whole bar. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to be putting bar lines in and sending me pictures of this as part of your homework. All right. And then on E4, we can start working E4 and 5 for our rhythm. So you can pick one line a day. Half rest gets 2 counts. So it would be 3 and 4 and, because we're in 4/4 time. And when you see these squiggly things here, that just means you're holding it down for 4 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? So I think that does it for this week. Make sure priority. Oh, no, we have to look at our K pages. Even those are not priority. We're still going to look at them. And we have swinging on K15. So it goes from the right hand to the left hand and then does a jump up high, right hand, left hand, stepping up and back down. Okay. Nice and short, but it makes us work with both of those hands together because our festival pieces, we need to be playing with both hands together. And the only thing on this one, we're using finger 5 of our left hand and we're playing low C and counting. So this one, just make sure you know the note and make sure that finger 5 will work and play it once, but that would be good. And like I said, Christmas Carol, festival pieces, composition are our priority with our homework this week, all right? Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in your individual time, and let's say goodbye.
So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it.
Have a great week, you guys.